Welcome to Monopoly Vashi, an exclusive A-grade commercial landmark of Vashi's prime location with premium sea views and city views. Vashi Monopoly, a project by two most trusted developers, Akshar and Bhagwati. This walkthrough is for serious business founders, SME leaders, consultants and investors who want strategic growth and long-term financial stability through real estate. In the world of business, not every building is equal, not every address defines your future. But an exclusive commercial building in Vashi prime location with sea view, city view and A-grade design has the power to elevate your business and secure your legacy. Vashi Prime is not just a location, it's a statement of credibility. Walkable from Vashi's commercial hub, immediate access to the Sion-Panvel highway, and surrounded by the city's most consistent business demand. Having an office here means faster trust, smoother operations, and a professional identity that stands apart. Monopoly Vashi offers something rare in commercial real estate: premium sea view offices and skyline city view offices. These views are not just visual assets, they enhance brand perception, increase rental desirability, and contribute to long-term appreciation. A premium view always creates a premium returns. This is a purpose-built exclusive commercial tower designed solely for businesses and investors, not mixed use, no compromised. The building offers a modern glass facade, a double-height corporate lobby, 12 high-speed elevators, structured parking, advanced fire and safety system, clean, efficient, grade A planning across all floors. This is a commercial architecture designed for productivity and prestige. Choose your office that matches your business scale and investment strategy. Offices are here from 685 to 20,000 square feet carpet. 685 square feet, ideal for consultants, boutique firms, and professionals. 720 square feet, balanced layout for SMEs and growing teams. 800 square feet, sea view, city view units preferred by premium tenants. Exclusive unit variants include highway-facing units, corner units, sea view offices, city view skyline offices. This unit is designed for visibility, operational ease, and higher rental potential. Why Monopoly Vashi? Exceptional project features: G plus 23-story iconic tower, 20 plus world-class amenities, clubhouse, gym, yoga corner, open-air restaurant, lush green garden, dedicated 3-conference room, multi-purpose room, banquet for annual meetup, 6th-floor podium with recreational facilities. Your commercial office should do more than your house operations. It should strengthen your business and simultaneously protect your family's long-term financial security. Monopoly Vashi delivers a prestigious corporate address, consistent monthly rental income, high demand appreciation, a stable legacy building assessed. Vashi Prime consistently perform among the best in Navi Mumbai commercial landscape. Rental yield around 6 to 8%, a strong demand for 700 to 800 square feet unit, higher premiums for sea view and city view spaces, a clear appreciation path over the next 3 to 5 years. Exclusive commercial buildings outperform the general market year after year. Why invest in Monopoly Vashi? Offices from 685 to 20,000 square feet carpet, landmark commercial project by a trusted developer, high demand location in Vashi's thriving business hub, Baishal units for flexible, customized office setup, sea-facing and panoramic view offices available. Investment benefits in Monopoly Vashi: 6 to 8% expected ROI, zero risk with future-ready commercial space, lifetime exponential value growth, price starting at 2.19 CR onwards. So what are you waiting for? We do not disclose price publicly because a premium commercial assets deserve a premium, private and face-to-face negotiation. Then Monopoly Vashi. Vashi Prime's exclusive commercial landmark is the strategic decision. Book your private visit, experience the sea view, city view, and the power of a truly exclusive commercial address.